the years. Don't get slapped with the mad leg. Still sipping on Jack D till my neck and my head start feeling it.
What up, guys? So I'm back at the junkyard today. It's cold as fuck. It's probably by the rain. The sun trying to come out. But Master Blaster had a question for me. He wanted to look at this Dodge van. Yo, what harness do you need from this van? This is a 88 Dodge Caravan, and it looked like all the wires are still here, at least in the engine. I was trying to find your comment, but everything seems to be intact under the dash. I don't know if this is normal, a van with a stick. I don't see too many of those anymore. I could be wrong, but I'm guessing you take this off to get whatever you're talking about. But email me at catlocograge@gmail.com, or just comment on this video to let me know if this is the year van you need, if it's under here, the harness you need, if it's under there. We'll go on the passenger side. It's an 88 Dodge Ram van. And I didn't make any videos last week because you probably can hear I'm sick as hell from all these allergies. But yeah, Master Blaster, I mean, look like everything's here for the wiring that you would need. Just let me know if this is the right year, or this year will work for you. Any other parts you might want. Yeah, it's pretty gutted. Still has a back seat. They had a stereo in here, you can tell by the wires. Just giving you a better look since you asked the question, and I think it has what you're looking for, but I'm not sure where it is that you the wires you need, so I just want to start pulling stuff if you can't use it. But looks like all the wires are here, engine's still here. The harness isn't cut. So if this is what you need, let me know. Yo, so we got a new one. We got a 2003 Suburban, and this one got pretty good panels, little dings all over it. Only thing I can see wrong with it, got hit on the side right here. And this is a 5.3. And looking at this water pump looks pretty new. It's the cleanest thing on the engine. I mean, it kind of sticks out right away as soon as you look down. Boom. This thing is really clean. I might have to get it. This is old, you can tell. A little tension pulley. But that looks pretty new. It's like they just bolted on to the new part. Really clean. But see what I mean? All the oil behind the water pump, all up there, all up on the valve covers. And that's what you typically see. Probably like a blown head gasket. Probably valve covers too. So we may snag that before I go. At least for the rain start. But I'm gonna keep looking, see what else is out here. Hopefully we find something good, something I need. So we back. So I took the water pump off, and as you can tell, tell me that's not new. That thing is pretty new. But today there's nothing really I want. They cut the harness for the ECU, and this is the drive-by-wire intake. I can pretty much tell because there's no cables running through the firewall, and it's 03. I mean, the compressor's there, but I don't need that yet. I might take that. I need one of these. I'm surprised they left the injectors in here. These are normally gone. This is what people steal. But this is the only 5.3 left, I believe. There may be one over here. Nope. Yeah, so this is it. I may use this, I may not. It's only like $10, so. Well, it should be only $10. We'll see what they say. But yeah, there ain't too much happening in Junkyard. Master Blaster let me know on that Dodge van. And yeah, there's nothing left. So this is that empty row from last time. They still haven't filled it up. But I did lose that other 5.3. So I only have one 5.3 in the entire yard today. But I'm just taking this water pump and see you guys on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, share.